Meal planning and grocery shopping can be a hassle, especially when you have kids in tow. But did you know that involving your kids in these tasks can actually make them more excited about eating healthy and trying new foods? Here are some tips for getting your kids involved in meal planning. Start by looking at recipe books or websites together and letting your kids pick out meals that they want to try. Once you've chosen your meals, make a grocery list together. This can help your kids learn about different foods and where they come from, as well as develop their organizational and writing skills. When it's time to go to the grocery store, bring your kids along and let them help with the shopping. Encourage them to find the items on the list, compare prices, and look for healthy alternatives to their favorite snacks. Finally, involve your kids in the cooking process. Let them help with simple tasks like washing vegetables or measuring ingredients. This will not only teach them important cooking skills, but also give them a sense of pride and accomplishment when the meal is finished. By involving your kids in meal planning and grocery shopping, you can help them develop healthy eating habits and a love for cooking that will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Until then, happy parenting.